Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Mike Thompson's RV out here in Fountain Valley. This is our FR3 made by Forest River. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the outside of the coach. You're going to have some outside entertainment with your Jensen TV, followed with some speakers to project the sound everybody can hear. You're going to have a 100 amp hour lithium battery. Storage, storage, storage. Storage. A little bit more on this storage. You're gonna have Rotocaster full pass-through storage with a drain. Very easy to clean, drain whatever you got. Right here, you're gonna have your MPS 6000 watt generator. One thing unique about this coach, you're gonna get vacuum bonded sidewalls, vacuum bonded floors, vacuum bonded roof, which is also fiberglass, with 200 watts of standard solar. All right, before I get you on in the inside, I'm gonna tell you a little about the door. It's gonna have a 2-inch wider door than any other Class A on the market. Now our FR3 is gonna be very, very spacious. Up here, you're either gonna have hidden storage or an overhead bunk for more sleeping. Biggest dinette in the industry, which can also drop down into a bed. You got a residential king bed. You got a bathroom so big you could do a backflip. Right here, we're gonna have some heated movie theater recliners. We're gonna have a massive residential size fridge and freezer. Got a nice size TV with more hidden storage. Full size residential microwave. 3-burner cooktop with a grease shield. An oven for your Thanksgiving turkey. Loads of storage for a trash can, pots and pans, bread, everything. We're gonna have all solid wood cabinetry with no paper wrap, also soft close. In this unit, you're gonna have fully ducted 15,000 BTU air conditionings, both in the front and in the rear of this one. We also have an all-in-one cycle washer and dryer, which you could use as a closet if you don't want the dryer. Another hidden storage. We also got an exit window for any emergencies. You also have an optional WineGuard Wi-Fi connector. Now that's just to start with the FR3. If you have any questions about this unit or anything you see on the website, give us a call and ask for Jonathan.